The quest for artificial intelligence that seamlessly integrates into human life has taken another leap forward. Meta's fundamental AI research, FAIR team, is leading the charge with groundbreaking advancements in touch perception, dexterity, and human-robot interaction. These developments mark a crucial step toward advanced machine intelligence, AMI, where AI systems can interact with their environments and humans as intuitive partners rather than mere tools. Understanding and interacting with the physical world, a skill humans take for granted, has been a significant hurdle for AI. FAIR's recent innovations are designed to bridge this gap. By enhancing the way AI perceives and interacts with its surroundings, Meta is laying the groundwork for a future where robots can perform complex tasks, collaborate effectively with humans, and adapt to real-world environments. Touch. Touch is fundamental to how humans interact with their world, and now it's becoming a cornerstone of embodied AI. Meta is releasing Meta Sparsh, Meta Digit 360, and Meta Digit Plexus, three innovations poised to revolutionize touch perception in robotics. Meta Sparsh, named after the Sanskrit word for touch, represents a new approach to tactile sensing. Unlike previous task-specific methods, Sparsh uses self-supervised learning, SSL, to process tactile data, eliminating the need for labeled datasets. Trained on over 460,000 tactile images, Sparsh provides a universal touch representation across various sensors and tasks. This advancement allows AI systems to comprehend tactile properties, enabling enhanced dexterity and planning. Meta's benchmark test reveals Sparsh outperforms traditional models by over 95%, highlighting its transformative potential. Adding to this is Meta Digit 360, a tactile sensor that mimics human fingertips. Equipped with 18 sensing features, Digit 360 captures data with remarkable precision, detecting forces as small as 1 millinewton and sensing heat, vibrations, and even odors. This multimodal sensing enables robots to understand the physical properties of objects, from texture to weight, in ways that were previously unimaginable. Digit 360's ability to process information locally, thanks to its on-device AI accelerator, makes it responsive to stimuli, akin to the reflex arcs in humans. To integrate these tactile innovations seamlessly into robotic systems, Meta introduces Meta Digit Plexus, a standardized hardware-software platform. Plexus connects tactile sensors like Digit 360 to a robot hand, allowing for unified data collection and control. By mirroring the intricate coordination between human hands and the brain, Plexus sets the stage for AI systems capable of nuanced and dexterous manipulation. Industrial collaborations. Meta's groundbreaking advancements in tactile sensing are not confined to research environments. They are being actively prepared for real-world applications through strategic partnerships with industry leaders Gelsight Inc. and Wonik Robotics. These collaborations aim to bridge the gap between research and implementation, bringing cutting-edge technology into the hands of researchers and developers worldwide. Gelsight Inc. is taking the lead in manufacturing and distributing Digit 360, a revolutionary tactile sensor with human-level sensitivity. By making this innovation widely accessible starting next year, Meta and Gelsight are fostering an open ecosystem for AI development. Youssef Ben Mokhtar, CEO of Gelsight, highlights the shared vision of making tactile sensing a ubiquitous tool, empowering researchers to unlock its full potential in areas ranging from robotics to healthcare. On the other hand, Meta's collaboration with Wonik Robotics focuses on creating a next-generation robotic hand integrated with tactile sensors. This advanced Allegro hand, built on the Meta Digit Plexus platform, will redefine robotic dexterity and enable researchers to perform more sophisticated experiments. Scheduled for release next year, this partnership represents a significant step toward establishing tactile sensing as a cornerstone of modern robotics. By combining cutting-edge technology with strategic industry expertise, these partnerships are transforming tactile sensing into a practical, scalable tool for the future. From robots to partners. Robots capable of performing tasks alongside humans require more than physical dexterity. They need to reason, plan, and interact socially. To advance this aspect, Meta introduces Partner, a benchmark designed to evaluate human-robot collaboration. Partner, short for planning and reasoning tasks in human-robot collaboration, provides a framework for studying how robots and humans can work together. Built on Habitat 3.0, a high-speed simulator, Partner enables large-scale testing of embodied AI in realistic, home-like environments. The benchmark includes 100,000 natural language tasks across 60 virtual houses, allowing researchers to assess robots' ability to plan, perceive, and execute tasks in collaboration with humans. Early results from Partner reveal that state-of-the-art models struggle with coordination and failure recovery, underscoring the need for further research. By addressing these challenges, Partner aims to transform AI from a passive agent into an active partner capable of adapting to human needs and preferences. Applications beyond robotics. The implications of these advancements extend well beyond the field of robotics, opening new possibilities across diverse industries. Digit 360, with its ability to capture detailed tactile data, holds immense potential for applications in medicine, prosthetics, virtual reality, and telepresence. In medicine, it could revolutionize surgical tools, providing surgeons with precise feedback during procedures. For prosthetics, Digit 360 can enhance the functionality of artificial limbs, offering users a more natural and intuitive experience. In virtual reality and telepresence, this innovation could make interactions feel more lifelike, bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. Similarly, the MetaDigit Plexus platform is poised to impact industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and energy. By standardizing tactile sensing and motor coordination, Plexus enables industries to adopt AI-driven solutions seamlessly. This could lead to more efficient manufacturing processes, streamlined supply chains, and energy-saving innovations, driving progress in automation and sustainability. Looking ahead, Meta's commitment to open-source innovation is central to its vision for embodied AI. By publicly releasing models, datasets, and hardware designs, Meta aims to empower the research community to build on its work. This collaborative approach is vital for accelerating progress and ensuring AI serves the greater good. The partnerships with Gelsight Inc. and Wonick Robotics highlight Meta's dedication to bridging the gap between research and real-world applications. By making advanced tactile sensing accessible to researchers worldwide, these collaborations pave the way for breakthroughs in fields ranging from healthcare to manufacturing. As AI systems continue to evolve, the integration of touch perception, dexterity, and human-robot interaction will be pivotal. Meta's innovations mark a significant step toward a future where robots are not just tools, but capable, intuitive partners in our daily lives. By advancing embodied AI, Meta is shaping a world where technology enhances human potential and fosters a deeper connection between machines and the physical world. The advancements in touch perception, robot dexterity, and human-robot interaction mark an exciting leap forward in the quest for embodied AI. These innovations are paving the way for robots to seamlessly integrate into our lives, from assisting in medical procedures to collaborating in manufacturing and even enhancing virtual experiences. With Meta's partnerships and open research approach, the future of AI-driven robotics is brighter than ever. What do you think about these breakthroughs? Could this technology redefine how humans and machines work together? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're passionate about AI, robotics, and the latest tech innovations, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the cutting-edge technologies shaping tomorrow.